guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So if you go to a salon or you go and get your makeup done, the most common question is what is your skin type. So a lot of people will ask you what's your skin type, and mostly people don't know their skin types. It's like so difficult to find out how it is. So the best person to tell you what your skin type is a doctor or the dermatologist will tell you what your skin type is and how to treat your skin and how to take care of your skin. But if you want to know how your skin type is, all you're going to do is wash your face at night and don't apply any cream, nothing at all. Just wash it nicely and you go to bed. Make sure there's no air conditioning, and next day morning you can just do a little test. Just take a paper or maybe a tissue and just press it on your face. If your T-zone, which is this area, if this is oily, that means your T-zone is oily, and or your C-zone, this section, that's your C-zone. So if you see a lot of oily patches, that means your skin is oily, which is really prone to acne. And if you see there are a lot of patches where some places are dry and some places oily, that's a combination skin. And if you do the tissue, if you touch the tissue on your face and you don't see any oil or very little oil, it means your skin is dry skin, which can also be sensitive. So these are the three skin types. And if you see all your face, there's enough oil and your skin doesn't feel very stretchy, it feels normal, that is normal skin. If you have oily skin, use something which is gel based. If you have combination skin, it can be gel or moisturizer. And if you have a dry skin, make sure that you use a very good moisturizer, because your skin will start getting very stretchy and a lot of patches will come. So this is how you can test how your skin type is, and let me know if there are any other questions in the comment section below, and also hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.